So I'm just about done. I have attached my circuit board to that middle piece. You can see that it's hot glued in place. After watching a video on the other Instructable that they've put together for the other kit, I realized that I actually put this on backwards. So you see how this is, all these little metal tabs are folded this way, and then I have the loose ones on this side. I should go the other way just because it makes it way easier when you're trying to line it up with the keys. So that took a little bit of extra work because I was trying to do it between these two bars, but now it's all lined up. It's working pretty well, and I've also propped up this bar so that it doesn't accidentally hit. So now I'm working on the extra keys. They've supplied reed switches which use magnets to open and close the circuit. So if you look at the space bar, there's a little magnet right here, and then when it is pushed, the reed switch right here would read that magnetic force. And in order to test the positioning of both of those, I've connected it to my multimeter. You can see it's 0 when it is not pushed, and when I push it, it switches to 0. So it starts as 1 when it's not pushed, and then it goes to 0. So I can make sure that all of these switches, including my control key, my alt key, my enter key, and then I have a shift key over here. The kit comes with 5 reed switches that I can work with, and then if I want extra keys such as the FN key or tab or something like that, I can make some other, I can make my own circuits for that. All of these will eventually connect to the board, and they provide a couple extra spots so that you can do your own keys too. So while I've been working on that, I've used some sticky tack to hold these in place. I'm about to hot glue those permanently, and then the wires will go over here and attach to the circuit board, which I have also sticky tacked to the back until I hot glue it in place. And once all 5 of those are soldered into the circuit board, I'll be ready to plug it into my computer and start configuring the keys and set it all up for use.